Good afternoon, and welcome to the MMEA State Middle School Instrumental Jazz Festival. At this time, please turn off all cell phones or put them on silent. Let's welcome our judges for this afternoon, Terry White, Sean Potter, and John Cooper. John Cooper is a saxophone player and a professor of music at the College of the Atlantic in Bar Harbor. Terry White is a trumpet player, arranger, composer, and retired music teacher in the state of Maine. He has music published through Alfred Baldwin, as well as Grand Mesa. Sean Potter teaches instrumental music at Cheverus High School in Portland. As a saxophonist, Sean performs regularly with the Portland Jazz Orchestra, Seacoast Big Band, and the Portland Symphony Orchestra. Previous work has included performances with Barry Manilow, Tony Tennille, The Temptations, and the Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey Circus. After this group, we will have awards for the last two divisions tonight in the gym at 6 o'clock. Our next group to perform is the LORANGER Middle School Jazz Band of Old Orchard Beach under the direction of George Chabot. They will be performing Lazy Bird, After Sunset, and Paquito's Revenge. Soloist, Dylan Cresswell, Katie Spagnolo, Gabe Reed, Christian Park, Jesse Raymond, Jake Maloney, and Noah Duchette. Ladies and gentlemen, the LORANGER Middle School Jazz Band of Old Orchard Beach.